With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Students, the question is which of the following is are correct, and we are having 4 options. So let us check one by one. So I'm starting with the first option, that is if A factor is equal to I cap plus j cap and B factor is equal to 2I cap minus k cap, then the point of intersection of the lines R cross A vector equal to B vector cross A vector and A vector cross B vector equal to R vector cross B vector is 3I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Okay, so we need to show that the point of intersection of these two lines is equal to this. Okay, so let's see it. So I'm starting with A option. So it is given that R cross A vector equal to B vector cross A vector, right? Now I can send both of these on the left hand side. So this will become R cross A vector minus B vector cross A vector equal to 0, and both of them have A vector cross common, so we can take it out common, and this will be written as R vector minus B vector cross A vector equal to 0. And when this happens, then we can say that A vector is parallel to R vector minus B vector. In that condition, it is written like this, right? So we can say that therefore A vector is parallel to R vector, so we can write them like this: R vector minus B vector in lambda times of A vector. So from here we can take out the value for R vector. So R vector will be equal to B vector plus lambda times of A vector. Okay, from the first condition, this is the value for R vector. Similarly, the next thing which were given it was given to us that R vector cross B vector is equal to A vector cross B vector. So similarly, this can be written as R vector minus A vector cross B vector equal to 0. And if this happens, then we can say this B vector is parallel to R vector minus A vector, right? So therefore, we can get the value for R vector in a similar way. That is, it can be written as A vector plus mu times of B vector. Okay, so this is the second value for the R vector. Now their point of intersection will be what? When they will be equated. Okay, so on equating them, B plus lambda A vector equal to A vector plus mu B vector. Okay, so this from here we will get the value for lambda equal to 1 and mu equal to 1, right? This B vector can be taken and written common also. It can be written as 1 minus mu equal to, this can be written as A vector into 1 minus lambda. So from here we are getting the value for lambda equal to 1 and mu equal to 1. Okay, so when we put their value here, so what we are getting the point of intersection as A plus B vector, right? Now see, we are given that A vector is equal to I cap plus j cap, and we are given that B vector is equal to 2I cap minus k cap. So when we will do A vector plus B vector, so we are getting their addition equal to 3I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Okay, and this was also the first option. See the first option, this, and we were given that the point of intersection of these two lines is this. Okay, and this is the first option. That means it is correct. This we got also, right? Now we will check for the second option if it is correct or not. So option number B, we are given R vector dot k j cap I cap into I cap cross R vector plus R dot j cap into j cap cross R vector plus R vector dot k cap into R cross k cap, r vector cross k cap. So if this is coming equal to 0, then means that B option will be correct. Okay. So let's see if this is coming equal to 0 or not. So we are taking that let r vector be equal to xi cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Okay. So if we find r dot I cap, okay, so r dot I cap will be what? It will be equal to x. Okay, now if we find the dot product of I with j, so I dot j cap will give us y and r dot j will give us y and r vector dot k cap will give us z. Okay, then if we find I cross r, okay, so I cross r will give us minus z j cap plus y k cap. Similarly, if I find j cap cross r cap, so that will give us minus x cap x k cap plus I z. Similarly, if I find the cross of k with r vector, so k cross this will give us what? This will give us minus of y I cap plus k into j cap. Okay, now we are going to take the left hand side of this thing. Okay, so in the left hand side we are going to put all these values of r dot I, then I cross r, all these values, and see if it is coming equal to 0 or not. So on putting the values, first thing which we were having here was r dot I, that means x, into I cross r, that means z j cap plus y k cap plus r dot j. That means here we will write y into j cross r, that was equal to minus k minus x k cap plus z I cap. Then plus we were having here r dot k, that is z into r cross k, that is minus I plus x j. Okay. So if I open this, that means I'm going to multiply this inside. So this will be minus x z j cap plus this will be x y k cap, then this will be minus y x k cap, then this will be plus y z I cap plus, then here it will be minus only, so I'm writing like this, minus y z I cap, then plus z x j cap. Okay, now what we can see here is this and this will get cancelled. Similarly, x y k cap minus y x k cap will get cancelled. Similarly, this will also get cancelled. So that is coming equal to 0, and that was given in the RHS also. That means LHS is coming equal to RHS. Okay, so option number B is also correct because the value of this is coming equal to 0. Now we will check option number C, that is if mod of A is equal to 3 and mod of vector B equal to 5, mod of C vector equal to 7, then A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then the angle between A and B is pi by 3. Let us see if the angle between these two is coming this or not, right? So we are checking option number C. In this option what we are given is, we are given that A vector plus B vector plus C vector equal to 0. Okay, so can I write it like this? A vector plus B vector equal to minus C vector. Now let us do mod both the sides. Okay, so we will do mod, that is A vector plus B vectors mod equal to mod of minus C vector. Now let us do squaring both the sides. Now this will open how? See, this will be opened like this. A mod of A vector square plus mod of B vector square plus 2 into A dot B vector. Okay, and this is equal to mod of C vector square. Now we are given that mod of A vector value is equal to 3 and mod of B vector's value is given as 5 and mod of C vector equal to 7. So on putting here the values, this will be 9 plus 25 plus 2 into 3 into 5 into cos theta, where theta is the angle between A and B. Okay, here will be cos theta equal to, and this will become 49. So this will be coming as 34 plus 30 cos theta equal to 49. So therefore we are getting what? We are getting 30 cos theta equal to 15. Therefore the value for cos theta will be equal to 15 by 30, that is 1 by 2. So theta will be equal to what? It will be equal to pi by 3. That means option number C is also correct. Okay. See, in option number C, we were given that the angle between A and B is becoming pi by 3, right? This is also correct. Now let us check the fourth option, that is D. If the vectors A, B, C form the sides of BC, CA, AB respectively of the triangle ABC, then A cross B equal to B cross C equal to C cross A. Okay, so we are checking option number D. So we know that the area of triangle is what? Area of triangle is, it will be in this case, that is A vector cross B vector, or it can be, similarly it can be B vector cross C vector, and it can be half C vector cross A vector, right? These are what? These are the area of the triangle. It can be this, this or this. So that means what we can say is when this half and half are getting cancelled, so that is area only, that we can equate these three, right? Because these three are area. And when half will get cancelled, so therefore we will get that A cross B vector will be coming equal to B cross C vector, and that will be coming equal to C cross A vector, right? So option number D is also correct. So we are getting this also correct. So option number A, B, C and D all are correct. Okay, so this is the required answer. Hope you got it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.